Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you how you can colorize your old picture, black and white pictures. You have old memories, your family members pictures, black and white pictures, how you can colorize in the full HD mode, and then you can choose also the different filters, the colors, and then colors mode on this software. So this software will help you how you can color your black and white picture. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so first of all, open your browser and then type here palette.fm. palette.fm, then hit enter. So you can see the new interface come. You can drag and drop or upload an image to colorize. So for example, I color this picture. You can see it take few seconds to colorize your picture, very old picture, and then it will color full HD, and then it looks like original colors, you can see. And then you can choose here to different filters. You can choose here different filters to select. For example, I just change this filter. There are different filters that you can choose. Then for example, I color another picture. So now you can see it's very original, looks like original. And then if you choose the filter, there are many filters that you can choose. So what color you like, you can save, download and save. It's fully free. You can do colorize any picture. For example, I like this one, and then click save to save my picture. So that is the very simple and easy method that we can color our black and white pictures. So hope this video is going to help for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.